Welcome back from Graphicxtras. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create interesting Photoshop abstract backgrounds or pattern designs. Of course, you could create millions of different pattern designs and there's thousands and millions of different ways of creating patterns in Photoshop, but this is just one possible way. So I'm just going to go over to the shapes over here. I'm just going to use ellipse and I'm going to use Photoshop styles. Now these ones are from Graphicxtras. They can be found on the Graphicxtras.com website. It's about 3,000 and a 4,000 set. So just basically click on the styles. You can load them via the right side, replace, load, and just click that one. Anyway, just create one. And now just go over to the move tool and just use the Alt key, hold it down and just drag out. Of course, once you've done that, you can just create multiple duplicate layers, and depending on the speed of your machine, which at the moment seems to be quite sluggish for me, you can actually create multiple background. Right, well, at that point I'm going to actually stop, otherwise it would just, but basically that's the basic quick and easy approach. You can create really interesting. Of course, the one good thing about the Photoshop styles is that now you can, of course, as they're vectors, you can still resize them. Of course, you can transform them, maybe make them ellipse. And of course, you can also apply a different Photoshop style. Maybe a black one there, or a silver one, and so on and so on. So an infinite way of creating different abstract backgrounds in Photoshop. And at this point, of course, you can also just flatten the image using the layer command. Layer flatten, flatten image, and you can continue with maybe another shape which you can apply more layer styles to, or the same one. There's thousands of different abstract designs in this Photoshop styles package, which of course you can also manipulate. And I'm just going to go to layer style. You can change them via this option or use the scale effects, which can modify them slightly to create a different style from basically the same style.